Cheers, brewers. So this is the cheap, easy Amarillo Pale Ale I made with the New England or East Coast Pale Ale yeast. This is the one I used with the cheap kit and the dry malt extract and the hops, Amarillo hops. And this is a commercial, typical commercial pale ale that is just Amarillo hopped, and it is this one right here, the Cricketer's Pale Ale. So before you say anything or throw your comments out there that it's not a real craft beer or anything like that, wasn't meant to be. It is meant to be something, a pale ale that is hopped with Amarillo hops only, and that one I know is. So, and I just thought just to compare the cheap version with one you can buy also that is a cheap version. So, the colour, this one is a little lighter, this one has more crystal malt in it. This is the commercial one, has more crystal malts, slightly darker. Mine still has a little bit of hop haze, and this one's pretty well clear. A light bouquet of orange and a little bit of floral, and that might be the East Coast yeast. The commercial one, yeah, it has a lot more orange in it. And the taste, a lot of orange flavour, that's for certain. Slightly overcarbonated, so it's masking some of the flavours. But yeah, it's really pleasant. It has the orange flavour you expect from Amarillo, and a little bit more citrus undertones as well. Bit of grapefruit. As for the commercial one, definitely a lot of crystal malt in there. But in terms of the orange flavour, it's about the same intensity. Yeah, they're about the same orange flavours. That one tastes different because of the crystal malt, and that's it. So, I mean, if I wanted to throw more either late hops or dry hops in, so steeping hops or dry hops in, maybe I could get more orange aroma. But for 30 grams of Amarillo hops, this is a cracker. I'm surprised that there is this much orange flavour in it. They're a really similar taste except for that crystal malt. That gives that one a bit more sweetness. So, quick review of that cheap, easy Amarillo Pale Ale we made, and I compared it with the commercial one because I just want to see if it was comparable, and it is. So if you are wanting to make an Amarillo or like a James Squire Chancer Golden Ale style beer, yeah, just try this one. You'll be really pleased with it. Alright, that's it for me. Happy brewing.